Welcome to Module 9, where we're going to talk about the resume upload and paste. So if you did have a resume located somewhere online already, you could copy-paste the text into this box and hit Next Step. And what the Focus Career application will do is attempt to populate that information in the right tabs and the right places. It will still make you go through the guided path to make sure that everything's in the right place. However, a lot of it will already be pre-populated from the uploaded resume or the pasted resume. What we're going to show as an example is an uploaded resume, which you can click here and it will browse your computer. And it has to be a PDF or a Word document, or it can be any document type, which has these various extensions on them. The PDF has to be a text. If you're able to search the PDF to find text within it, then that would be one that was originally converted from a text file. Some that may not work would be if somebody had a paper copy of their resume and they took it to a scanner and they scanned that in. What that'll do is it'll actually take that and turn it into an image file, which is a PDF file, but it's an image as opposed to a text version of a PDF, and the application's unable to extract any text from it if it's just a scan. Now, there are some scanners that have technology that can read the text on it and convert it, but that's not as common. So if you're just using your basic run-of-the-mill scanner at home, more often than not, those files will not work for the upload. You'll need to use the original Word document or other document to upload. Now, I'm using one that I actually downloaded from here, so it should work. Hit Next Step. And what this does is it'll actually take all the information from the uploaded resume and place it into the various tabs, pre-populating most of the information for me so that I just have to review it. Now you notice here it will send some things in here for me. Some of the address information wasn't on the resume, such as county, because it doesn't display there. You see it does ask me some questions here. When I hit continue, it's actually going to take me back into the resume builder. You'll see most of the time it's going to take you directly to work history and make you fill out the required information. You'll see quite a bit of it. There's an NA there already. So some of the information is blank. And a lot of the times, almost all the time, you'll have to put in the wage pay unit because that's never displayed on the resume. So you'll want to hit save and return to job list, or save and move to next step to complete the actual description too, which you can see if you hit next step, it'll actually take me to the description too, so I can look at it. So on the upload, you'll see you do have to do each of them. As you finish them, this red message will go away. It actually won't let you move to the next step until this part is completed. I actually did put my military experience that I had on the previous resume into the work history as well. Now I could choose to not display it on there if I don't wish it to be there. Or I can move on to the next step. And this is just a test. Otherwise, I'd put a lot more information in there. So once I've completed the missing required information, quite a bit of it is going to be auto-populated, so it's going to let me move on to the next tab. You see, once all three of these were updated, actually, I could have skipped ahead to the education tab, completed this tab. Now, if it saves, some of the information didn't populate over, so I do need to go in and finish that. See, a lot of this pre-populated. Put the objective in there for me. Because this resume or this account had already previously had quite a bit of information, some of it saved, some of it did not. It does make me redo quite a bit of it though, just to make sure that none of my statuses have changed. But you get the general gist of how this will work. So upload's very similar, except what it does is it pre-populates a lot of the employment information for you, but then you still need to go in and do quite a bit of the filling out of the rest of the resume. And then you'll get back to the review tab where you'll be able to move forward in the process, which actually what we'll talk about in the next module will be the job search. So once you have a resume in the system, how you can use that resume to get matched to jobs and look for various jobs that match your resume.